Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you all how I transformed my boring umbrella to give it a nice colorful twist. All you need is an umbrella, acrylic colors, brushes and a permanent marker. So I started by painting my umbrella with the base of black and white acrylic colors and let it dry completely. Once dried, I made mandala designs on the black part with the white color and on the white part with black color. I kept doing that till I covered my umbrella with designs. You can also make different types of designs, cartoons, doodles or even write quotes on your umbrella. Once done, it looked like this. I liked it this way, but then I decided to add colors to the white part and then added some details with a permanent marker. It turned out to look so good, I will definitely be transforming more old umbrellas to give them a nice makeover. And that is the complete umbrella. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to be subscribed to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.